Good day. This is the Professor, CBMD PhD. It is Wednesday, November 8th, 2023. It is 4:45 and 14 seconds a.m. Eastern Standard Time. And today's research, biosensor discovery. So let's jump to it here. A self-powered microbial fuel cell, biosensor, for monitoring organic freshwater pollution, low-cost biosensor for assessing water quality at the input of lakes and rivers. Date November 2nd, 2023. Source, Princeton University. As biodegradable waste from plant and animal sources released into freshwater ecosystems is a significant environmental concern. Nonetheless, current methods for assessing water quality seem more or less impractical due to their complexity and high cost. In a promising development, a team of researchers has successfully constructed a self-sustaining and buoyant biosensor using inexpensive carbon-based materials for monitoring water quality at the inlets of freshwater lakes and rivers. The scientific investigators and researchers developed a self-powered, standalone, floating biosensor based on a microbial fuel cell for early organic wastewater detection. The microbial fuel cell case was fabricated by a 3D printer, and the electrodes were fabricated from low-cost carbon-based materials. Microbial fuel cells generate electricity with the help of electrogenic bacteria. These microorganisms produce an electric current as a result of their biological metabolism. The amount of electricity generated by the microbial fuel cell is proportional to the concentration of the organic waste that is being consumed by the electrogenic microorganisms. This characteristic feature is thus used to design organic waste biosensors powered by microbial fuel cells. The researchers then fill the anode, the electrode where oxidation occurs, and electrons are given off with a floating microbial fuel cell with soil containing electrogenic bacteria. The anodic bacteria subsequently decompose the organic material present in the water and converted the stored chemical energy into electricity. The electrical output was then used as a measure of the organic waste present in the contaminated water. Although the researchers did not characterize the bacterial communities present in the soil samples, they rashly hypothesized that microorganisms from the genera Geobacter, Shunawella, and Pseudomonas contributed to the electrical activity. Prior studies indicated that paddy soils naturally contain electrogenic bacteria belonging to these genera. Next, the team added a light-emitting diode, LED, to the floatable biosensor assembly. The LED was able to harness the electricity produced by the electrogenic bacteria and visually indicate the level of organic contamination in the water samples under investigation. It started flashing when the chemical oxygen demand, the parameter used to measure the level of organic contaminants in water, exceeded the threshold value of 60 milligrams a liter. In addition, the LED flashed at an increased pace when the chemical oxygen demand significantly exceeded the threshold value. And because the floating microbial fuel cell biosensor produces its own electricity, it requires no external power supply. Moreover, it can be used in early detection systems that monitor influxes of organic wastewater and freshwater bodies. And this is the Professor of Space Technology, Advanced Physics, Mathematics, Computer Science, and Leader of Research. This video was created for educational purposes only. Hope you enjoyed listening. Until next time, have an awesome day.